This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Capcut and granting permissions so the app can read media and record audio. This prevents later export issues. Next, tap New Project, pick an aspect ratio that matches your platform, and import your clips in the rough order you want. Once done, set project resolution to 1080p and frame rate to 30 FPS for smooth playback. This balances quality and file size. Make sure clips are labeled or grouped, so editing steps stay efficient as you proceed. Now you'll refine clips, scrub to the cut points, then split and trim while listening for clean audio transitions. A 0.5-second nudge often fixes timing. Once trimmed, stack layers, overlay videos, titles, and stickers, and animate them with keyframes so motion feels intentional rather than static. Use transitions sparingly to preserve rhythm. For audio, normalize levels and apply quick fades at each cut. Reduce background noise and align music peaks so dialogue remains clear and balanced throughout the edit. To finish, check your timeline one last time and choose export with 1080p, 30 FPS, and a high bitrate for sharp results. This keeps motion smooth on most platforms. Save a project backup to your device or cloud so you can revisit changes. Once exported, share or upload directly from Capcut. If export fails, first free up storage and close background apps. Then update Capcut and restart your device before retrying. This simple sequence clears cache or permission hangs that commonly block rendering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.